Dumelang, welcome to our YouTube channel, Learn Setswana with Mogomotsi. So, re a go ithuta Setswana. We're going to learn a lot ka Setswana. Today, we're just going to start hela ka Medumo le Mafoko. Just like in English, most Setswaneng, to build words, we need vowels and consonants. In Setswana, vowels are called ditumanosi, and consonants are called ditumammogo. So let's start with ditumanosi. Ditumanosi tsa Setswana di 7, unlike in English where they are 5. It's A for apaya, to cook. E for ikete, like. E for eba, so this one is like you are going up. E for eba, to dig. E for inama, to bend over. O for oyagae, where are you going? O for opela, to sing. U for utra, to hear. So those are consonants. Remember that like this and this, they are different. This one is A, is like you are going down. This one is E, like you are going up. O, like you are going down. O, like you are going up. Mo ditumammogo, consonants. There are 16. So let's start. B for biza, to call someone. D for dira, to do. F for feela, to sweep. G for gata, to step on something. For huma, to be rich. K for karabo, answer. L for loma, to bite. M for monna, a man. N for nako, time. P for pina, a song. R for reetsa, listen. S for simolola, to start. T for tona. Tona can mean two things. It can mean big, or it can mean a minister. O for wena, you. E for yarona, ours. So those are the consonants and the vowels that we need to build words. Let's continue. Medumo ya Setswana e mentsi, and e dirwa gantsi e dirwa ke ditumanosi le ditumammogo. Medumo e ra e dirisa gore re dire mafoko. Ra go simolola mo ke lwala, to be sick. Mme, but. Mme, mother. P for phatsima, to shine. S for swaya, to crush something. T for tlala, hunger. T for thaba, a hill. Hl for tlhalosa, to explain or elaborate. F for tsaya, take. F for tswala, to close. Re na le medumo e mengwe gape. Na le k, g, go, dikai. K ha re dirisa e nna ke. E ha re siyo, ha ile e yo re sitswe e nna ke. Kge, kge, kgwe, kgwe, phi le p, le p. Pe, pe, phe, phe, e mentsi medumo. Also re na le t, ts, ts, tswa. Re ta sibula ka ta. Ta, tsa, tsha, tswa, ti, tsi, tshi, tswi, te, tse, tshe, tswe, ti, tsi, tshi, tswi, tu, tsu, tshu, tsho, to, tso, tsho, tsho, tu, tsu, tshu, tshu. Re tla ema gone ha for today's lesson. For more videos, kindly subscribe and smash that like button. Go itlhela re kopana gape mo nako e tlang. Ke a leboga.